tonight. Oh, my coals are burning hot. You're looking out of sight.
Strawberry is the word for the day.
You know we have some new hats in our merch store, man.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You
You got plenty of hats for everybody then, right?
Okay, yeah, but I'm just saying, some people could use maybe a new hat. I want to
I
know.
gotta talk to people, see if they need them.
Do you know anyone?
No, I'm fine.
You sure?
Yeah, I got good.
But look at this. Look at how smooth that looks, man. Man, it's a nice hat. I mean, just for this video, I mean,
There's a tear coming to my eye. Thank you.
we'll have a ceremony after.
All right.
It looks good on you, though. You have to say. Some oil. These are St. Louis cuts, right?
Yeah, St. Louis. Got some pork privilege here. All clumpy. So we got these St. Louis ribs, and I oiled them up with some olive oil, and then we got the pork right there, pork privilege. Got pork privilege on there, and then we're going to throw them on as soon as our charcoal gets ready. And then once we get these cooked, we're going to make a nice strawberry whiskey sauce out of fresh strawberries.
Okay.
Yeah, I think this is going to be a winner.
So we have the crew coming today. We're going to be rearranging the pit a little bit.
Oh,
clean up, so we'll have to feed the guys.
Yeah.
So.
Well, there'll be other food here too, because I don't think 2 racks of ribs going to last. It's not going to last very long with those guys.
Yeah. Gonna cook these at today, temperature wise?
Oh, probably about 230, between 230 250. Here we go. All right, we're gonna make some strawberry barbecue sauce, and we got a what do you call this?
A mixolator, I think. I have no idea what you call it.
Fancy ass mixolator.
I used to sell these about 30 years ago.
And we got fresh strawberries here. They're all nice and soft, and
these are the local strawberries.
these are the local farm people. Yep. Now let's see if we can get all of that in there. You can hold that.
Grow some big berries around here.
Yeah.
Tell you what.
The big berries. All right, we'll have to go for a second round. I'm gonna put that in there.
Thank God for electricity, huh?
Yeah. All right.
That was just like Martha Stewart.
That's it.
That was totally professional.
That is it. Now we'll put the rest of this in.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. I think we got all the juice in there. Nice, and that's pretty important. All right, perfect. We've got our simmering pan.
pulverized strawberries.
That's it.
Bacon cheeseburger.
Looks like dessert.
It does.
Okay.
Here, we got 1 cup of brown sugar that's going in.
And that's barbecue right there.
Yeah, that's
Brown
it.
Sugar.
That's it. And then we got some maple syrup.
Oh, from north of the border, or
Yeah.
New England, Vermont.
I think this is Vermont.
All right.
1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Pork Privilege in there.
All right. Pit Boys Pork Privilege. You got to check that out.
We got some red pepper flakes.
Got to have the red pepper flakes.
Gotta have that. Gotta have red pepper
Say no
flakes.
more.
And we got some black pepper. And we got 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. And 1 teaspoon of cumin.
Barbecue.
We got 1/2 cup of red cider vinegar.
It's all there.
And we got
It's all there.
1/2 cup when we get it filled here. Got the little nozzle on top. Here we got Worcestershire. And we're going to put 1/2 cup of that in. There we go, Worcestershire. Yeah.
And it is pronounced.
That's it.
Worcestershire. Most everybody calls it something other than Worcestershire.
Worcestershire, Worcestershire.
That's it. That's good to go. That's going.
The sugar.
Yeah.
Got my barbecue
Look at that.
We got some molasses backstrap. They're going right in there.
got my barbecue shoes on.
Perfect. Then we're gonna go put this on the burner.
You want to heat it up?
We're gonna
Heat
heat it.
everything together.
Gonna let it simmer. You put it on low. And just let it go.
It's like the perfect smoothie.
It is. It is perfect smoothie. There we go. Just leave that there. Keep it on low and let it go. I gotta go get a cover for it.
Sasha, what's that whiskey gonna do to that flavor?
I think we're gonna find out.
We're gonna find out.
That's about it.
On the lay, baby, show you who's boss. Got my steed in my hair, baby, I don't care. Gonna butter some biscuits, grab me a pair. Oh.
We're at about 185 now.
185.
Yep.
Okay, gonna slap some sauce on there, huh?
Right, here we go. Oh.
Got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna throw up some legs. It's barbecue action.
183.
Good job. Teamwork. Teamwork. Thumbs up. All right. think everybody's...
Apologies, I didn't know you were coming. Otherwise, I would have had you.
No, can't do that.
Can't do that.
Gotta get some gloves.
Four sandwich, alligator, crawfish, smoked turkey, shrimp sticks, St. Louis spare ribs. Baby back bacon ribs.
Taste the sausage.
That was a waste.
That's alcohol abuse.
Yeah, I know.
That ain't that good.
We got better stuff coming.
Just talk about a wombat.
When I was captain of Jack Daniels fishing team, they sent me a towel. Freaking crazy.
Well, what I licked off my finger was definitely good.
Strawberry blend.
A small mortgage.
Right here. Everybody fucking jumps.
Yeah, for real. That fucking heat piece of shit.
Frankfurt, big hand woven bacon bomb explosion, hot grilled apple pie, crawfish jambalaya, jalapeno ribeye, beer and butter chicken thigh, briskets piled high. Gonna eat on it at the pit, eat on it at the pit, eat on it at the pit.
Strawberry is the word for the day.
So those ribs are ready to go. So
These are ready.
Hand us a rib and a drink.
All right, Slasher, there's one even, man. You got to make sure it matches
We're
up.
gonna taste it.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
That works?
Oh yeah.
All right, man.
This is it.
I'm good. Let me
This
try.
is
I got to
it.
go. I got it.
This is it.
Mom, we got to get this.
Perfect.
Wow, that's crazy. We got to roll, man. We
Perfect.
got to roll.
We got a perfect.
What do we got?
We got to taste it.
What do we got? Dude, if this is going to slide off the bone if I angle it.
Oh, yeah, there.
There we go.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, my God.
Perfect both.
Brother.
All right.
All right.
Brother.
So let's
Right here.
This is a pairing.
Let's
This
eat.
is
Man.
a Pit Boys pairing
All right,
event.
I'm first in line.
Yeah, there we go. Pit Boy privilege,
So what do we
man.
got going
Yeah.
here? Strawberry.
Yeah.
Strawberry,
ribs.
strawberry.
Strawberry drink. Strawberry ribs.
Strawberry drink.
Strawberry bourbon, basil, and bourbon, strawberry, basil, and ginger.
Awesome.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. And I'm gonna grab one of these ribs.
Be careful, it's going to come right off the bone.
That's hot. Oh. All right. Well done, chef. Oh man. That is. Hang on.
Let's do the pairing.
Yep. The warden
yeah.
going in.
Oh yeah. Ugh.
Look at I pulled the wrong way out.
That's it.
You think so? awesome. Like the pairing.
Flows perfectly.
The horse.
Right. Is your mic? Oh. Baby.
Oh yeah.
Good. Oh man.
Jitter, we didn't forget about you, brother.
All right.
Yep.
Nobody gets lifted out at the pit.
Alright, need to get a smaller rib here. We're gonna go with that end burnt piece there.
There you go, brother. I
Alright.
think I'm gonna pour one for
Actually,
me too.
you know what? I'm gonna go with a little bit of a bigger rib. That one. First time ever. Rib body shots. You ready?
The luge.
Strawberries for all.
That's it. Dripping good.
And we got some new shirts coming in.
The rib luge. The rib luge. First time ever on BBQ Pit Boys.
Thank you so much.
There
I
you go,
appreciate it.
brother.
Thank you.
Hey, cheers, bro.
Cheers.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out
BBQPitBoys.com.
Yeah.
Woo!
Great
Oh,
job,
my
chef.
God.
Great job, chef.
God,
Strawberries.
brother.
Hit the
Good
field
job,
and start
man.
picking.
Strawberry fields forever, baby.
The word is strawberry.
That's a wrap. Cut.
You